ICT has finally revealed the secret to trading London strategy. It is absolutely insane, and no one has made a video on this yet. The win rate for this strategy is so incredibly high, and this is all coming out of ICT's words. Not my words, ICT said this himself. So after you watch this video, I'm going to simplify it for you, and you will become a profitable trader, and you will pass your funded challenges. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the win rate for this strategy, I've tested it myself. It's about 75% all the way to 80%. I've tested it many times on different pairs, and I've always seen them results come to me. And again, this works best on EURUSD, GBPUSD, and SPX 500. However, especially it works on EURUSD and GBPUSD. But out of them two, if I were to choose one, I would choose EURUSD. So the next thing you have to do is you have to know the times where you're entering the strategy at. So this is at London kill zone, right? So 8:30 a.m. all the way to 10:30 a.m. London time. Or if you're in New York, you're going to trade it from 3:30 a.m. 3:30 all the way till 5:30 a.m., which is really early in the night or early in the morning, whatever. But again, you can make a lot of profits if you do be willing to wake up. Okay, so 5:30 a.m. If you're getting into any business in the world, you're going to need to be willing to do something which other people are not willing to do. So this is one of the things that you're willing to do if you're living in New York. As you can see, wake up 3:30 a.m. all the way to 5:30 a.m. So next thing you have to do is the time frame is going to trade the strategy on. This is a mechanical strategy, so it's very easy to follow, and you would know when you lost a trade that did you follow the rules or not. So I'm going to tell you all the rules in this one video right here with a full trading plan. So the time frames is the 15-minute time frame and the 1-minute time frame. And the other things which you just need to know is just how the entry models are going to form. So the checklist of the strategy is that you're going to wait for a 15-minute liquidity sweep. The next thing you're going to wait for is you're going to wait for a bullish engulfing candle, or bearish engulfing, of course. And the final thing you're going to do is you're going to wait for market structure shift for displacement. However, it's not this easy. Let me explain to you how to actually use this strategy, okay? Because this is completely different. When you look at these rules right over here, you might say, well, easy. But of course, I am forgetting a little bit of stuff. So let me show you the chart example, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to use this strategy because there's two ways you can enter this strategy right here. So you're going to trade this at the London kills in time, which again is, let's just say 3:30 all the way to 5:30. So 3:30 being right over here all the way till 5:30 right over here. So we're going to go on the 5-minute time frame. Just pretend we're on the 15-minute. So before this trading time, we're just going to let market go up and down. And what happens always is that we have accumulation, manipulation, distribution right before this time. So for example, Asia opens right over here, and then Asia also has the manipulation, so accumulation, manipulation. And then what happens is, as our trading time happens, we're going to enter off the distribution leg. Of course, we wouldn't know which direction it goes. However, it's very easy to find out, because if you catch the distribution leg, you're going to catch a lot of pips in the market, big RRs, and again, you're going to make a lot of profit at the end of the day. So what we're going to do, as soon as our trading time hits right over here, we're going to wait for one of these sides of the liquidity to be taken out. So basically buy side or sell side, and on the 15-minute time frame. And then as soon as it takes out, you're not going to wait for a market structure shift for displacement. It's completely different to anything you've seen before. And just 5 seconds every time. If you want me to pass a profit from challenge for you, guaranteed in under 30 days, or you get your money back and what you paid for from the challenge, link in the description below. Do not miss out, because it's on offer right now. So again, it's the cheapest price, most reliable, and again, we actually source it to many people. Haven't been on YouTube for a long time, however, we source it to your biggest and favorite YouTubers. Cheapest price, most reliable. You can pay half and half, and again, if we fail, you get every penny back, including what you paid for the funded challenge, and an extra $100 for us wasting your time. Stop gambling your funded challenge. Join us today. We've passed hundreds already, and we're here to actually manage your account also. So after passing, we can manage your account, making you a consistent gain month after month. So make sure you check that out. Link in the description below. So anyway, we're going to wait for one of these liquidity sweeps to be taken out, the high or the low. If it's the high first, then what we're going to wait for is, again, you can wait for a market structure shift for displacement. However, the better entry way of doing this is wait for the bullish candle to form, and then wait for just a bearish engulfment or bullish engulfment candle to form, just like this. And then if you get 2 of these in a row, enter your trade straight away, okay? And this is what will make your win rate so much higher. And I'll explain to you that in a chart example. I'm going to show you 2 chart examples, and they're going to help you understand it fully. The first one is basic, however, the second one is going to help you fully understand it. Or what you can wait for is market structure shift with displacement, something like this, and then enter off the extreme FVG, and then where you can target is the opposing liquidity. However, it is not this easy, because if it was this easy, everyone would make money in the markets. However, let me go on a chart example to show you how to exactly enter this strategy at. And again, just before I carry on, if you want to join my mentorship, it's in the link in the description below. Do not miss out. It's $34.99 lifetime. lifetime. You don't have to pay again. It's the cheapest price in the entire game, and the reason why it's so cheap is because I want to help as much people out as possible. In the Forex game, you see people charging hundreds or thousands of dollars. However, we're only charging $34.99 for the biggest value you will ever see. There is no catch to it. $34.99 lifetime, one-time payment, cheaper than literally a video game, and you can join and make a lot of money out of it, or even cheaper than some restaurants or anything for a meal for one. So anyway, we're gonna wait for one of these liquidity sweeps to be taken out, and you can actually have this indicator right here, kills on boxes, and now we're gonna wait for the 15-minute liquidity to be taken out. So where's the most recent high? The most recent high being right over here. And if another high forms throughout our trading time, that's fine. You can wait for that to be taken out. As you can see, let's go on the 1 minute time frame. Let's wait for that to be taken out. As you can see, let's just wait. There you go. The liquidity got taken out. As soon as it got taken out, we haven't got a bullish engulfment candle yet. As you can see, you might say, well, this green candle engulfs this red candle. It doesn't, because the wick engulfs the top. The body has to engulf the entire thing. So yeah, you can wait for that bullish engulfment candle. And there you go. You got your first bullish engulfment candle right here. As you can see, this green candle engulfs the body of this red candle. This could be your entry. However, this is pretty risky going into a trade just like this. So what I would recommend, if you're going to go for a bullish engulfment or bearish engulfment entry, just literally 0.5% risk and then target on 1 to 2.5 RR. However, if you were to go for a market structure shift with displacement sort of entry, as you can see, let's just wait for market. There you go. If course is a market structure shift with displacement right over here, extreme FVG being right over there, and then this can be my entry. And then yeah, if you just do this, you can rinse and repeat it and make a lot of money in these markets. Stop loss below the low, and then I would always recommend just target and the opposing liquidity right over there. If it doesn't touch, it doesn't touch. Don't always go for the moonshots. As you can see, this one does eventually end up touching, but this is a very nice way to trade strategy. And as I did tell you before, wait for two bullish engulfment candles, and then it would increase the win rate by a lot. So for example, we got one right over here. It's green candle bullish engulfs the body of this red candle, and then as soon as we had that, we had a second consecutive bullish candle, as you can see right over here, this green candle. So your entry could be being right over there, or again, you could have taken entries at many levels like market structure shift with displacement, which is the most reliable way, as ICT did say himself. So this is another example I want to show you. And again, if you do want your Power Farm Challenge Pass, link in the description below. Do not miss out on that offer price, because we can manage the account for you after passing, which will make you a lot of money consistently in and out of the market. And yeah, let me go on the second example right over here. Same exact thing. We start trading at 3:30 New York time all the way till 5:30 New York time, and then we go on the 15-minute time frame, wait for a sweep. So for example, there you go, we had a sweep right over here straight away. And as I did tell you, I don't know if I told you or not, but if you trade it from 3:30 opening all the way till 4:30 opening, or 8:30 opening London time till 9:30 opening London time, it's way more high probability. So for example, as we can see, this high got taken out right over here. There you go. As soon as you had that, this red candle bearish engulfs this green candle right over there, and then this can be your entry if you were to go for a bearish engulfment entry. Or as you can see, market structure shift with displacement also happened right over here. So we had a market structure shift. This isn't displacement, but that's fine. As you can see, price retraced all the way to this extreme FVG, stop loss above the high, and then where you can take profit is the opposing 1 minute liquidity or the 5 minute liquidity. So for example, right over here, 1 to 3 RR, it's very, very, very possible to hit. And as you can see, we got tapped into my entry, and very nice. If you did miss your entry along the way, as you can see, there's many more entry models which can help you get into your entry. So for example, you might have said, okay, there was no displacement right here, but as you can see, market formed a displacement right here of the low, and then the extreme FVG resting right over here. If you missed that entry, or if you missed this entry also, as you can see, price retraces into this FVG, and we have so many displacement candles with bearish engulfment. So for example, if you were to go for that bearish engulfment entry, as I did tell you before, as you can see, we had 2 consecutive bearish engulfment candles. So not bearish engulfment, however, we had one bearish engulfment at the body right over there, and we had another bearish candle. So this could have been your entry for 0.5% risk, and then again enter off the market structure shift with displacement. But anyway, if you want me to pass a Power Farm Challenge where you guaranteed in under 30 days, or you get your money back and we paid for the challenge, and an extra $100 for us wasting your time, link in the description below. We are the most reliable, the fastest, and the best in the entire game. And if you want to join my mentorship program, $34.99 lifetime. I actually mean it. $34.99 lifetime. There is no catch to this. I want to help as much people as possible, because you have to have a purpose in this life, and my purpose is to actually help people out instead of scamming them and charging them thousands or even hundreds of dollars. So anyway, everyone, hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good day.